Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you streetwear outfit idea in Dress to Impress for free without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay guys, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one and also this bangs, and you're going to color it with this color, this dark brown color, and you can choose this face. And then we're going to choose this item. Okay, and I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, the next one, I'm going to choose this sleeves and then apply the same pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this top and just apply the same pattern. And then I'm going to choose the butterfly top and change the toggle to classic, and again you can apply the same pattern. Okay, now it's done for the top, and then we're going to go to the jeans area, and I'm going to wear this jeans and apply this color. Okay, and then for the toggle you can choose pocket. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area, and choose this belly ring. Oh my god. Okay, this one, and then I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this eyeglasses, change the frame color, and also this back. Okay, and I'm going to apply this color as well. The next one, I'm going to go to this area and choose this item, color it this one. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this shoe, and we're going to color it white and also this color. Just go mix and match the color. Okay, done. And then I'm going to put more accessories like this earmuff, this one, and then I'm going to color it with this dark color. Same with my bag and also my jeans. Then grab this item, remove the ears, and you're going to apply the same pattern. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.